If you give a second grader a cookie, a collaboration between Miss Nipper's 7th graders and Miss Reed's 2nd graders.
If you give Sossa a cookie,
by Angela Bonau and illustrated by
Sossa Taylor. If you give Sossa a cookie, he'll want a scoop of ice cream with it. After he finishes his ice cream, he'll want to play pixel gun. If he plays pixel gun, he'll want to go to the nether. If he goes to the nether, he'll want to go to the end. If he goes to the end, he'll want to defeat the Ender Dragon. If he defeats the Ender Dragon, he'll want to stop playing. When he stops playing, it will be sundown. If it's sundown, he'll want to eat dinner. If he eats dinner, he will get a dessert. If he gets dessert, he'll want a glass of milk with it. And if he gets a glass of milk, Sossa is going to want a cookie with it to go with it.
This book was a collaboration between Netzeburg 7th graders and 2nd graders. About the illustrator.
Sossa Taylor likes to eat tomatoes. Sossa Angela name is Chocolate. Chocolate is a girl. She eats apples and daisies and dead mealworms. His brother named are Giovanni and Matteo.